In our private lives, we are surrounded by devices that are all digitally connected and to help us and to make things easier. We are looking for a future where we are not only enjoying these new possibilities in the private sector, but also in the additive manufacturing production. For example, when using the DyeMansion workflow. By monitoring the operations and intelligently analyzing the data, the processes can be better and better adapted. For example, for the different materials and also the different part geometries. As a result, the performance of the machine will continue to increase. And of course, we will also make use of the new computing power of the cloud. So far, the process data of the DM60 and the power fuse is locked and can be retrieved and visualized via our data history. For example, we can see how the temperature of the process is going and also the pressure is locked. And these things are very important for the quality of our finish. This gives our customer the possibility to trace and assure the quality of our processes. In the long term, we want to prepare our systems so our customer can use various software applications in the cloud or on-premise. With these software applications, they can analyze the use of their machines. With this, they can further increase the quality and capacity utilization.